Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Taufik Adha bin Jamaludin. Today I want to present my three-phase system project that I've been working on. Let's go. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Taufik Adha bin Jamaludin. Today I want to present about three-phase system. For the introduction of three-phase system, the system which has three phase, the current will pass through the three wires and there will be one natural wire for passing the fault current to the earth is known as the three-phase system. It means the system which use three wires for generation, transmission and distribution is what we call the three-phase system. The three-phase system also can use as a single-phase system if one of the phase and the natural wire is removed. The sum of the line currents in the three-phase system is equal to 0 and the phase are differentiated at an angle of 120 degrees. The three-phase system has four wires and the three current carrying conductors and one natural. The cross-section area of the natural conductor is half of the left wire. The current in the natural wire is equal to the sum of the line current of the three wires and sequentially equal to square root 3 times the zero phase sequence component of current. The three-phase system has several advantages, like it requires fewer conductors as compared to the single-phase system. It also gives the continuous supply to the load. The three-phase system has higher efficiency and minimum losses. This is the 122 degree phase difference of the three phase is must for the proper working of the system, otherwise the system become damaged. Objective this project is 1. To learn an electrical system that consists of a three-phase wire-connected generator, transmission loss, and a load with acceptance power factor lagging, according to the Electricity Supply Application Handbook V3 ESAH V3. Second, to determine every branch of a balanced three-phase wire-connected transmission loss and the load possess a resistance and the reactance respectively. The load is supplied from a three-phase wire-connected generator at line voltage with frequency as stated in Malaysia Standard. Third is to evaluate the parameters of the electrical system in the context of transmission and load impedance, current, voltage, and acceptable voltage drop based on BS 7671 or any Malaysian authority standard. Fourth, also have to evaluate and analyze the active power absorbed by the loads by using 2 wattmeter method and the conventional measuring method. And the last, to learn how to justify the normal operating condition of the electrical system and validate the study with simulation. Methodology. The methodology is first, draw the circuit wire-to-wire connected to the generator using SIM software, and then insert the value of load and transmission impedance, which is 38 ohm plus 23 j ohm and 91 ohm plus 909 j ohm. At this part, the value of inductance is converting first 0y using the formula which is 2 micro FL, which is 2 ohm FL. Then insert the value of V line, which is 132 kV, and the frequency referring to the ESAH V2, which is 50 Hz. And then the circuit we simulate to obtain value of V phase, V line, I phase, and I line. Last step is adding the 2 wattmeter at circuit to find active power absorbed at the circuit. Also use the conventional method to obtain the same purpose. At this part, the value was submitted at the table to see the comparison between simulation and theoretically. For the discussion, this project is, in this project, I got to evaluate the parameters of the electrical system in the context of transmission and load, impedance, currents, voltage, and acceptable voltage drop based on the BS 7671 or any Malaysia Authority standard. I also got to determine every branch of a balanced three-phase wire-connected transmission loss and the loss possessed. I also got to determine every branch of a balanced three-phase wire-connected transmission loss and the load possess a resistance and a reactance respectively. The load is supplied from a three-phase wire-connected generator at the line voltage with a frequency as stated in Malaysia standard. Then, in this project, I also got to learn an electrical system that consists of a three-phase wire-connected generator, transmission loss, and a load with acceptance power factor lagging, according to Electricity Supply Application Handbook V3 ESAH V3. From this project, I also got to learn how to justify the normal operating condition of the electrical system and validate the study with simulation. Lastly, in this project, I got to evaluate and analyze the active power absorbed by the load by using 2 wattmeter method and the conventional measuring method. For the conclusion, in this project, I can conclude the three-phase system will have better and higher efficiency compared to the single-phase system. The benefit that three-phase connection provide is that it gives the flexibility to divide the loads in a setup into three different phases. So, for example, if there are 3 air conditioners, then each can be set up on each of the phase, thus not putting excess load on any one phase. In case one of the phase fail due to the fault at the distribution point, the other 2 phases keep running, and this prevent complete blackout of the setup. So, in your house, if you have 3 rooms connected to each phase, then even if one phase fails from the electricity distribution transformer, only one room will not have electricity, but the other 2 will continue running. That's all from me for the presentation. Stay safe, stay at home, and inshallah, we will win this fight. Thank you.